Hello and welcome once again to the Daily Message. Throughout this week, I'd like to offer some words of reflection by Pope Francis. The theme of this week's Daily Messages will be the blessing of family. And all of these quotes and citations come from a book entitled The Blessing of Family, Inspiring Words from Pope Francis, which was published by Franciscan Media. I offer for our reflection today a selection entitled Leaven in the Dough of Society. For the Christian community, the family is far more than a theme. It is life. It is the daily fabric of life and the journey of generations, together in love, passing on their faith and fundamental moral values. It is concrete solidarity, effort, patience, and also a plan, hope, the future. All this, which the Christian community lives out in the light of faith, hope, and charity, should never be kept to oneself, but must become every day the leaven in the dough of all society for the highest common good.